Hey gorgeous, welcome back. I got your back on this one. The contact lenses I'm about to review are going to blow your mind off. They are bomb. When I mean bomb, they are bomb. Just look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Ooh!
The night I fall in your sight. Your new eyes cut sharp like a knife.
Hope you guys are doing great. So today is another review, and today I'm revealing contact lenses. And these contact lenses, they are from Multicolorlab. So guys, you guys know me and contact lenses. Ooh, I don't play with my contact. You guys know that so well. On IG, everywhere, TikTok, everywhere, you guys know I love my contacts. I don't play with them. Why? Because they take me from 0 degree to 100. I always say that. And these ones, they are not left out. These ones from Multicolorlab contact lenses. This is how it came. Look at how gorgeous the packaging is. This black and, is it pink or purple? It's purple. Okay, black and purple. I'm in for the packaging. You guys know when the packaging is beautiful, I'm in for that. So guys, I'm going to leave the link, their website, everything on the description box in case if you are interested. With all that being said, let me stop talking and unbox these beautiful, gorgeous contact lenses. How do I open? Okay, it's my first time. Okay, it's like this. Okay, this is it. When you open, it's like this. You see the contact inside. Okay, came like this. So what's this? What's this? Is this tattoo? What's this? I don't know. This. There's this inside, but I don't know what it is. Also, what's this thing? There's something here. Let me see. What is this? There are so many surprises inside. So guys, I just opened it. It's an eyeshadow that they added to it. Ooh, wow, thank you so much. Look at this. This is gorgeous. I like this. Let me try it. Oh, see. Look at this. Wow. I never planned to do this, but I like it. Thank you for adding this. This is so gorgeous. Okay guys, you can see this. I like this. I don't know what this is. I don't need this thing. What is this thing? I don't know. Could it be a tattoo? Okay, kind of a sticker tattoo, something like that. They are stickers. Okay, they are stickers. Now I know. Alright, they have so many stickers. Okay, that aside. And now let me come to the contact. Here there is a case. When you remove your contact, you put them inside this case to store them. Okay, came with an applicator and a clip, something to clip the contact from the solution. Okay, but I'm seeing just one case. Oh, I like the color. You can see. Ooh, this is like galaxy. I like it. See the glitters, the purple and the silver, which is the silver glitters I put on my eye. I'm feeling this. This is beautiful. Let me see whether the names are indicated. No, their names are not indicated as well. Why? Yeah, 2 pills inside, 1 year guarantee. These are cosmetics color contact lens. Okay, they are not medicated contact lens. They sent 5 to me. Okay, but the name of the styles are not written on them. Why? They would have included their names on the case so that you know which you are wearing. Okay, but no. Our advice next time, please try to indicate the style on the case. Everything is falling, and look at this inside. You see this? So I'm going to open them down and show you guys. And it came with just one case. I don't understand why one case. It means when you open the rest, where am I going to put them? This is strange. Or is there a case inside? Let me open it before I start complaining. No, you are supposed to add at least 5 cases. Okay, okay. I was wondering. There are cases inside. Okay. Sorry, excuse me. There are cases inside. Each of them has case inside. That's good. That is good. You see, they kept the case inside here. That's so cool. So cool of them. I'll check their names, so I'm going to indicate the names on the screen. So when I'm editing, I will indicate the style on the street, on the excuse me guys, I'm missing my words. So each time I'm going to indicate the names of them on the screen for you guys to see. And also I will leave their names and their the link to each one on the description box. So check that out. And I'll see if there's any discount code. You guys know how we do it. I'm going to leave it as well on the description box. Okay. Don't hesitate to check that out in case if you like anyone, just dash to the description and you're going to see the direct link to each of them. So let me show you guys something. Like, this is the contact here inside the solution. So you just open this is very easy. You see here, you raise here up, then you pull it backward. Okay, once you pull backward, it's going to open. It's very, very easy. You turn the solution inside the case and you put your contact before applying it on your eyeball. So make sure your hands are clean. If you are using the tip of your finger or you're using the applicator, make sure you're careful and your hands are clean. So guys, this is it on. This is my natural eyeball. See it in a close range. Let me zoom it. You see it. I like this one. I like it. It's very soft. And one thing I will tell you guys is very, very easy to apply it. I just put it and it magnets automatically. You don't stress yourself. I like that about it. And this is so soft. I like the way it is. The color looks so soft and beautiful. You see the difference between my natural eyeball and the contact lens. So guys, let me try to put it for you guys to see. Now you see that it's very, very easy. All I got is this Polaroid picture. You see, it just magnets. You don't stress yourself. Just put it and it will just stick to it. Okay, not like some that you will battle and battle before you can apply it. But this one is so easy to apply. See, and it's gorgeous. Look at the two on. So guys, look at this one. It has this blue and black undertone. Is it ash? It's blue. Yeah, it's blue and black. I like this one too. And the other hand, you can see clearly with it. That is one thing I like with this. You can see clearly with it. It's not blurry. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Lovely. So this is another one. It has this kind of is it gray and black undertone. See, this one is gorgeous as well. So look at this one. This one has this blue and black round 8, and this is also gorgeous. So for this contact lenses, I decided not to wear falsies. Decide to just add mascara on my natural lash so that you guys can see them very clearly how it looks with your natural lash. Okay, so this is it. If I add falsies on this, whew, it's going to take it to another level. So guys, this is the last one. It has this kind of, I don't know, is it turquoise blue? See, this is so beautiful. I really like this color. I like this color. This is really beautiful. The style is gorgeous. guys, that is it for this contact lens review. I hope you see the difference between each style that I wore, and you're able to make your choice. They look so gorgeous, so beautiful. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link to each one on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Okay, and I'll check if there's any discount code. I'm going to leave it as well on the description box. The 5 I tried are so beautiful. They are gorgeous. You see how it transformed my eye. I really like them. One thing I will say about these contact lenses, the thing that I like about these contact lenses, the material is very light. It's not thick, because when it's too thick, it looks heavy on your eyeball. This one, you don't feel as if you wear anything, because it's very light, very light. And I like the fact that it sticks to your eyeball instantly. You don't find it difficult to apply them on your eyeball. I like that about it. And I like it also that the lenses the vision is very clear. You see clearly with them. It's as if you are not wearing contact at all, because there are some contact lenses where you wear them, you don't see clearly, but this one is different. I like this one so much. The 5 styles that I try are so gorgeous. They are beautiful. So if you like any one, you can just head to the description. But if you don't like these ones that I tried, you can check their website. They have so many there. You can make your choice. All right, that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Please, before you go, if you like it here, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that the icon. Thank you so much. And if you like this contact lens review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And I will see you guys very soon. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.